Are you noticing sloping or cracking in your concrete and you're not sure how to fix the issue? If so, you came to the right place. In this video, I'll talk about the benefits to deep injection. Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director of AccuLevel. My family's been in the foundation repair business for over 20 years, so I've seen my fair share of foundation issues. So what are the pros and cons to deep injection? The con to deep injection is really the cost. This is a more expensive option than, say, mud jacking or injecting limestone material up underneath a slab or a structure. But the big pros to this is that you're able to get this compound, this foam, much deeper into the ground, therefore improving the soil that's already used while utilizing that soil. The other advantage to deep injection is versus like maybe a helical pier. With a helical pier, you have to excavate holes to screw the pier down. You have to expose the foundation. So there's much more damage to the exterior of a structure. With your deep injection, you're simply just running small rods down into the ground so that there's no displacement of landscaping or really any soil at all. So it's much less intrusive and can be a lot easier to get done. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you decide if deep injection is right for you or not. If you want to learn more about deep injection, click the link in the description and you'll be able to read our blog on this topic. Be sure to like and subscribe.